Hi, my name is Ines Ha. My matrix number is RS21204 and today I want to talk about Pykrete composite. The objective of the research is to determine the cooling performance of Pykrete and to investigate the cooling effect based on the correlation between ambient air humidity and cooling effect provided by the Pykrete. Due to the scarcity of metal at the time of World War II, the British developed Pykrete, an impact-resistant ice composite material in secret. Pykrete was intended to serve as a steel substitute for the construction of warships. Pykrete is an ice composite made from water mixed with cellulose-based reinforced material and have interesting properties including high resistance towards impact, shock, and relatively slow melting rate because of low thermal conductivity. The properties make Pykrete suitable for backup cooling agent in low temperature application as it allows an extended cooling duration while less likely to be shattered during the impact. The cellulose-based reinforced inside the Pykrete usually consists of wood or particle sawdust or fiber paper pulp. Pykrete is much more resistant from impact shocks than ice due to the reinforced material that acting as a damper towards the external force. Moreover, the Pykrete also much more resistant towards natural melting at room temperature due to the reinforced material that make the Pykrete perfect as backup for cooling agent. The material that is used in making the Pykrete are water and reinforced material which is wood, the hygrometer and the thermometers. The method to produce the Pykrete are: firstly, we need to prepare the Pykrete sample by mix 14% wood and 86% water. Next, place the sample inside a commercial freezer with temperature negative 15 degrees Celsius for 5 hours during the freezing process. Thirdly, place the Pykrete sample inside an open top box. Next, expose the Pykrete sample to room temperature, and lastly, use two hygrometers and thermometers to record the change in relative humidity in temperature every 15 minutes. Based on the Pykrete composite that we made, we are expected that this Pykrete will have lower specific humidity value compared to regular ice. And we are expected that this Pykrete will have better cooling capability and temperature than the regular ice at the cost of cooling stability. In conclusion, Pykrete gives the cooling stability for much longer cooling duration than the regular ice. While Pykrete managed to attain lower temperature, it lasts very briefly. Ice tend to give consistent cooling as it melts, while the Pykrete gives an initial burst for better cooling in period of time.